Okay, everyone, it's time for some fun, as in ThredUP Fun Box. Hi, this is Susie. Welcome to Dragonfly Bee's resale journey. Yeah, I had purchased this box, I don't know, maybe in June. It's been sitting in my closet for some time, and yeah, I think it's time. I think it's time we open it up. So, here we go. If you're new to the channel, I am a part-time reseller, and I conduct lots of different unboxings, such as this one, as well as Goodwill blue boxes, jewelry boxes, and what else? Shop Goodwill lots, some thrift hauls, and things like that. So if you're interested, subscribe. Click that subscribe button. And yeah, we'll go over this. No invoice. Maybe. Let me take things out and I'll show you what I got. The weirdest thing is, oops, dropped something. This box didn't come with the invoice. I don't even know when I received it, how much I paid. I guess I have to look at the site and at my account to find out. But this came from Phoenix, Arizona, and I truly believe I purchased it 2 months ago. And the first item is this gift set from Mook. So this is pretty nice. It has a fleece lined headband, and it comes with this crazy matching pair of socks, which are also lined. I mean, these are super warm, and it actually says Mook on the bottom. So we have this pretty nice gift set. Even has the gift card all ready for you to fill out. It says there's a heat retaining construction, they're faux shearling lining. Now, looking at this, it only had a $20 retail price, and it's crossed out. It was on sale for $9.99. Wow. Okay. It's still really nice set. So we have this. This next item is just a sheer scarf with multiple colors, and looking at it, there's no tag at all. There's no fabric content tag, there's no brand tag. This is something that how can I sell this? So it looks pretty nice color wise. It's super soft and it's sheer. It's very long, so this could be wrapped around many times. I don't know. This one, not so fun, right? Next item, it says Franklin Youth Football Receiver Gloves. Okay, so these are, I guess, for football players, and they're new with tag, and it's a size large. Don't know anything about football, but I know this is for kids because it says youth football. So we have that. Next item is this pair, brand new, no brand, size 40, which is basically a size 8. It's like a rubber bottom, but look, they're made up of these really pretty daisies and faux pearls, and that actually looks like leather. Sweet. So we have this pair. Interesting. Next item in this fun box is this headband. It's fabric covered, and it has a bee all over it. It's gold tone with a red and black stripe with a gold embroidered bee along that stripe, and along this one too. There's like a tied knot in the front. I don't know what that is. This looks to be in great condition. It looks brand new. So we have this headband. If anyone knows if this is a logo for a brand, let me know in the comments below, because I don't know what this B stands for, if it does stand for a brand. So we have this. Okay, next up we have this black canvas signature C Coach wristlet. And there's the little hang tag. It has a leather strap. It has silver tone hardware, but this clasp does have some wear. The exterior looks okay. Maybe a mark here, a mark there, a mark here. Let's look at the inside. The zipper works nice. Okay. I do see some marks in there, but is that part of the outside? No. Yeah, do you see that? It's like gold marks. Yeah, that looks like lipstick maybe. Yeah, it needs a good cleaning. You see that? It's just an empty interior. So we have this Coach black canvas wristlet. Okay, next up we have these stockings. You see, these are the stockings. You need like a garter belt to wear them. They're in a size A in black. A size A fits anyone that is 4'11" to 5'4" tall, 88 to 122 pounds. Okay, so we have this. Okay, next up is this pendant earring set. It's made by Carol Collection. BW Carol Collection. Some faux pearls, drop earrings with rhinestones, and you have this pendant. It's still in this bag. And that's how it came. So we have that. Okay, next we have this very wrinkly Athleta tote bag. Super lightweight. It has these gray straps. This is silver tone. Power of She. And this is in good condition. It's just it came like that. So I guess the whole tote is supposed to be crinkled. I don't know. It's been a while since I got a fun box, and this one is it's not big fun. So we have this. Last item in this fun box are shoelaces. They're Doc Martin Airwear shoelaces in this red color with navy and yellow embroidery. So we have this. Okay, so here are all the items that were in the fun box. I counted 10. We have the scarf, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 items. Don't recall what I paid. I think it was maybe 20, 28 maybe? I don't know. But still, overall, you do get a lot of things for the cost of goods that you are paying. So, yeah, what you think of this box? let me know. All I know is the last time I got a fun box was last year. I mean, it's been a long time. And I remember there were always two pieces of jewelry, and they were fun. So, thank you. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to purchase anything, email me at dragonflybees@gmail.com. I will be more than happy to hold things, just in case you want to add something that you saw perhaps from a jewelry video. Shipping can be combined that way, which would be good considering these items are non-jewelry related, except for that. So, thanks again. Oh, the instructions are in the description box below, as well as in the beginning of the video after my introduction. Thanks, guys, for spending, thank you, everyone, for spending this time with me. And I'll see you in the next one, and the next one will be jewelry. Bye.